it's Bunny, and today I am finally unboxing the new Lush Kitchen subscription box for the month of January. I also do have December's box here because, you guys, I was sick all of December. This box smells amazing. So I never got to open this one with you guys. This one just came today, and I figured, hey, why not? Let's just do a double feature again. I feel like I did this in like November or something because for some reason I thought October's box was going to be Beetlejuice themed. It in fact was not. I'm kind of wondering if this is going to have a Northern Lights type theme. Once again, I do only have the bath subscription boxes. There is a shower subscription box and a bath subscription box. And if you guys have watched my videos, y'all know that a lot of times there are several crossover products, but I always do wish I could just 1 month end up getting both boxes in time to show you guys like what all of the products are. Here is the cute little piece of paper. New Year encouragement. Honestly, I wondered if this was going to be like very minty because the closer I was holding this box to my face, I was like, I smell spearmint, perhaps. Dare I say it almost has a demon in the dark kind of scent to it, but I think I'm always just on the lookout for that. Ooh, the label is adorable with this. Can you guys see the magical like green stars? Ooh. So this is Freeze Kitchen Exclusive Body Scrub. Reach for revival. A blast of refreshing peppermint wakes you up and fine sea salt scrubs you down. A blast of refreshing peppermint wakes you up and fine sea salt too scrubs you down. I was like, wait, do I not know how to read? This, I can already smell it through the jar. It smells, oh my God, so refreshing. I don't know if this is gonna make sense, but this literally smells like if you walk into a spa, like an actual place. Like so refreshing. Look at that, you guys. I actually have really gross dead spray tan on me today, so I need this product. It's here right on time. And all right, you guys, you know what time it is. Time for New Year's wishes. Wishes. Okay, we'll just look at this blue ball next. It's not a ball, it's a... Wait, is this a Yeti? Is this a Yeti in a hat? I kind of can't tell. Also, I feel like the lighting in here is still so bizarre. I don't remember if I told you guys this or not, but one of my lamps exploded. So now I have this miniature like spotlight thing actually mounted to the camera, but mostly it renders me blind. Ooh, this is interesting. It has kind of a cocoa butter scent to it, maybe. Also something mint. A lot of times I feel like I struggle to distinguish the difference between peppermint and spearmint. We will, okay, wishes, wishes. It's Frozen, the kitchen exclusive body lotion for beautifully hydrated grapefruit and neroli fragranced skin. This is the Frozen one. So that sounds amazing. I actually do not really know what neroli is. Is it a flower? Is it a plant? I do not know, but I tend to always like products in these Lush boxes that are described as having a neroli scent. Oh my God, I love this. I know this maybe like will not sound cool, but it has like that legitimate old lady smell that I crave. It smells like your grandmother, your fresh grandmother. That sounds bizarre. But yeah, I really like the mixture of just a light mintiness to this product. Like it doesn't even list mint on the label, but it has that neroli and grapefruit scent with also like a hint of mint. So I feel like you could layer all these products together and it would also like just give you that refreshed feeling. I love using minty scented products like in the morning because I feel like it really wakes you up. All right, we've got another, I believe, oh my God, it's a little polar bear. This is so cute, and I know this may sound weird, but it honestly feels like cold to the touch. It feels minty to the touch. So this is, oh my God. Y'all, this smells like literally like mint gum. I do not even know, like peppermint or spearmint gum. So yeah, this is a bubble bar. I'm almost 100% sure, but we will consult the flyer momentarily. I think we have two One product left. We have one product left. Oh, that's honestly shocking. I thought that there was another one. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5. 5 is a good number. Y'all, God, this is one of those things that I am obsessed with. It is deeply reminding me of a Lush scent from the past. I think I did see on here, we will go ahead and consult this little chart that comes in the box because as you guys know, unfortunately scanning the QR code, they don't show you the items being made anymore. And I really missed that. I thought that that was so cute and so fun. They don't do that anymore, but Northern Lights is what this is called. And I believe that there used to be a Northern Lights soap before. This smells so familiar and I'm obsessed with it. I always love when the kitchen boxes include soap. Normally they do. And you guys know I say every single month candles and actual spray perfume are my two other favorite items. This would make a great candle, dare I suggest. So this is called Polar Bear Plunge. Kitchen exclusive bubble bar. And then this guy is supposed to be an abominable snowman. You know what? I'm gonna scan it now because I forgot. How am I gonna be able to tell you guys what the products are we're missing if I don't look at it now? Okay. Lush turns 30 years of Lush. I didn't even know that. So the soap came in both of the boxes, bath and shower. The frozen lotion also came in the bath and shower box. Freeze also came in the bath and shower box. I wonder if they were identical this month. Polar Bear Plunge, this only came in the bath box that we got today. Abominable was also only in the bath box. That makes a lot of sense. Oh my God, you guys, I have to start getting the shower box because Abominable actually had an exclusive shower jelly. I would have loved that. And then Australian Igloo was also just in the shower box, and that is a naked shower scrub. So all the Lush naked products mean they don't have any packaging. And I think that that is it. So I feel like a lot of the products this month were shared between the two boxes, but I feel like I miss out on so many shower jellies or jelly soaps and shower slimes that I would be so obsessed with, but they only seem to ever come in the shower box. All right, you guys, happy holidays. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. They actually put a little card in here. That's adorable. Okay, let's have wishes for next Christmas. In here, we have a huge shower gel. This is called Christmas Eve. Too excited to sleep? Take a moonlit shower with this jasmine and ylang ylang body wash and drift off with ease. That is what I would like to do. Ylang ylang. Didn't we just have another product with that in it? Oh my God. Y'all, literally, I feel like I say this every single time. There's like literally only 2 Lush products ever that I've smelled that I was not crazy about. This is absolutely amazing. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see or not, but it almost looks like there's like little micro sparkles in this body wash. It looks amazing in person. It's like a beautiful like navy blue color. I feel like that's also just a fun component of Lush, is so many of their products are like purple or green or blue. So that's just like more fun of a bathing experience, you know? All right, up next we have a kitchen exclusive hand cream. I need this, you guys. My hands are always the driest, crustiest hands to ever exist. So this is called Smitten, and it is a soothing chamomile and marigold infusion. It says the infusions mark the beginning of your long-term relationship with softer hands. That is something that I desperately need. This has almost an almond extract scent to it. You guys know that kind of like cherry scent? Even though I swear that's not listed. Marigold. I don't know what a marigold smells like. I definitely also get chamomile. I wonder if chamomile smells similar to almond extract. Does that make any sense? Maybe, maybe not. All right, you guys, up next, what is this? It is a present. It is a bath bomb with a bow on it. And I have mint on my hands because I was like, whoa, is this like mint scented as well? But it is not. I have no idea. Almost like a floral. Maybe there's some type of rose in here. Oh my God, it's a jingle bell. Look at that. There's a bow on top and a bell on the bottom. Adorable. All right. Ooh. Yay. Oh my God. I'm so excited for this. The last time we got one of these was in the Halloween box, and it is a solid perfume stick. And I'm wondering if they're going more to this style in the subscription boxes versus like we got always the spray. They're almost, well, they used to be in that like rollerball type packaging, but it was always like an atomizer spray perfume. But we haven't got one of those in a very long time. They've always been these solid perfumes, which honestly, I don't mind. I love these, and I feel like these are great to put in the bottom of your bag. So this is Baked Alaska, which I definitely remember they used to have this as a soap, and I loved it. I would buy it every year. So it says tart notes of lemon, myrtle, grapefruit, and uplifting ylang ylang to brighten your day. God, yes, this smells amazing. To me, it almost has like a lemon candy type scent. And I feel like I always say this as well, but I love when the kitchen boxes, like they really allow you to stack the products and stack the scents, because what other product had ylang ylang in it? But I feel like you could like use those together, like bathe with the other ylang ylang product and then layer this perfume on top after. Okay, this is super bright purple. I am loving it. Once again, this is a bubble bar. Ooh, y'all, this is kind of candied as well. I love that. Okay, let's just scan this QR code and get some more. Oh my gosh. You know what? Because this was PR and they sent me this super cute little card, I do not think that I have the QR code for this. Maybe? Okay, that's to download the Lush app. I don't have it, you guys. I don't. Jingle Bells. I can't tell you what any of the scent was. Okay, Plum Snow. That is what this is called. And everything else I feel like had the scent notes attached to it. Let me just look on the bottom of the box, because I learned that that was like another thing you could do. Ooh, yay. Okay, the information is on the bottom of the box. So it says Jingle Bells. Where did I set that? Yes. It says, give this big ball of patchouli and Brazilian orange oils a shake, and you'll hear the distant ringing of bells or skin softening sea salt letting you know Santa is on his way. Y'all, I would have never thought to actually shake this. That's definitely one of my favorite things about Lush bath bombs lately. I feel like they've gotten so imaginative with them. I love when they put something inside. We have seen things like this, sea salt. I always talk about the SpongeBob one from a year or so ago now, where his little shorts popped up out of the bath bomb. We also saw the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles one that had a miniature soap inside of it. So I just feel like that's an extra layer of like fun and imagination. Okay, Purple Snow. It says, this joyfully juicy bubble bar creates a blizzard of Sicilian red mandarin and petitgrain scented foam. I'm never going to be able to say this word. Osmanthus absolute catches on the breeze with the tantalizing promise of spring. Whatever all that means, this smells amazing. And everything else like already had the description written on the bottle. So yeah, that is it. Let me know which item you would be the most excited to try. You guys, always the thing that I dislike the most about these boxes is that sometimes you will totally fall in love with these products, but because they are made just for these kitchen boxes, they are kitchen box exclusives. Once you use it, once you run out, you are not getting it back unless they decide to like bring it into stores. I guess if it was like super popular enough, maybe they would do that. I have definitely absolutely fallen in love with kitchen exclusive products before, and I'm always so sad when I like use the soap or something and then it's gone forever. But anyway, that is it for me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!